Hello everyone, today I'll be doing my unboxing and review of Campus Pizza Large Pepperoni Pizza. So for your info, Campus Pizza is right beside the campus in Waterloo, and it's one of the most, pretty much arguably, top 3 in popularity and tops in terms of fast food places to order food from. So, the price for a large pepperoni pizza, given it's their 25th anniversary, is $8.99 plus tax, so looking around $10. But if you pay because of this deal, if you pay using a card, or if you use a card to pay for it, then it's an additional $1, which is a pretty good deal. So let's get started. So now unboxing. It's a simple yellow box. There's a distinct rectangular pull tab. So this is how you open it. Woo! Looks pretty good. Smells pretty good too. If you measure the diameter across using a ruler, I already measured it before, it's around 36 centimeters across, which is not too bad for a large pizza. They divided it up to around, it varies each time when I get it, but it's around 10 slices, pretty sure. And yeah, the pepperonis are average size, and the cheese, just standard cheese like the ones from Domino's Pizza. So first impressions, it looks pretty good. So pretty good first impressions. Here's the pizza. I guess it's time to see how it's like. Pretty good. Tastes really fresh. I could definitely taste the pepperonis. The cheese is not super cheesy and not the super stretchy cheese kind, but just a typical standard pizza. Very good fast food. Last slice. So overall, how did I think about it? Well, the value, I give it 5 out of 5 stars. $10 for a large pizza, especially comparing it to everything else, all the food places around the plaza. $10 usually gets you something like one burrito, one stuffed burrito, a pita, foot-long sub. But you put 2 foot-long subs together, and that's when you can start comparing it to a large pizza. So in terms of value, this is absolutely really good value. Taste. Well, excuse me. Taste, I'd say it's on a moderate scale. I wouldn't say it's the tastiest pizza because it's just a regular pepperoni, no really special sauces, special cheeses. They don't provide any of that. but it just tastes like a regular pepperoni pizza, just a regular average score. But I'd give it 3 out of 5 stars. In terms of taste, it doesn't taste bad. Nothing's bad about it. It's just a regular pizza taste and something that you can enjoy, whether it's with friends or family or a whole large pizza to yourself. You can always assure there's good quality and taste. So next one is health. So I'd say this is a below average healthy pizza. It might be a little bit oily, it might be a little bit dry, but I'd say just a regular pepperoni pizza. There is not really any vegetables in it unless you count the tomatoes or the tomato sauce. But overall, I give it a 2 out of 5 stars in terms of health. When you're getting a large pizza, you don't expect too many health benefits to come from it, unless if you're looking to carb load or bulk up for the winter season or something like that, because it contains a lot of carbohydrates, a lot of calories, quite a bit of fat and sodium. So if you're looking to bulk up, to have higher volume of food to replenish your carbohydrates after a long, exhausting workout, I'd say this is a definite good choice for that. There aren't too many alternatives that have its value as well as the amount of carbs and energy you get out of it for its price. Though I'd say you have to drink a bit of water to help it digest, because that is a lot of carbohydrates. Experience. Well, I'd say eating an entire large pepperoni pizza is a good experience. From the experience of an average wait time to get the pizza freshly made, to the experience of opening the box and seeing that the campus pizza, the pizza is still kept fresh. It's a regular cardboard box, so nothing super insulated, but it's still kept relatively fresh and relatively hot in an 800-meter walk in a regular chilly autumn/winter day. That's it. In terms of experience, I'd give it a 3 out of 5 stars. So overall, should you be getting this pizza? I'd say try the pizza. It's not a definite buy, it's not a definite no-go. I'd say if you're on the fence, definitely get the pizza. But if you're not too sure about pizza or you're not a big fan of pizza, then obviously don't go for it. Though I'd say you're missing out on a lot of value that it gives, given that it's $10 and it does give a lot of pizza. It could be good enough for 1 meal, 2 meals, or even 3 meals. It just depends on your stomach capacity and how your metabolism during the entire day. So if you love pizza, I definitely recommend you to try some campus pizza. Definitely buy one, because it's just another typical good value pizza, and for its value, I'm sure your wallet would thank you later as well. But in terms of if you're on the fence, I still say you should try it out, because campus pizza is a classic in Waterloo, and campus pizza also delivers a great experience. It's open till 5 a.m. unlike many other restaurants and food places, so it's very convenient for you to just grab a large pizza and gobble it up in like half an hour or 1 hour. It's not the hardest thing to digest. It's just a regular pizza and it's really enjoyable. So if you have any more questions about pizzas or food or any future recommendations of foods that I should buy and review and eat, of course, then feel free to drop a comment or just like the video. It really helps me out in terms of supporting my tuition. And I guess until next time, see you.